Electric tankless water heaters. You can make a conscious daily decision to reduce your use of precious resources, whether you're at home or you're at work. Electric tankless water heaters are today's eco-friendly solution. Here are the facts. A traditional storage water tank heater keeps water hot 24/7. Water sits hot waiting to be used, while the heat dissipates through the walls of the tank, costing you money, and the water overheats, and now the hot water must be mixed with cold water before it can be used, using precious resources. Electric tankless water heaters conserve 20 to 30% more energy because they heat on demand. They have 2 times the life expectancy of traditional tanks, whereas 7.3 million traditional tanks end up in the landfills every single year. Plus, the tankless units emit significantly less greenhouse gases and none at the point of use. They cost less overall to operate. Sky electric tankless water heaters. Save $100 on a new unit at skyelectrictanklesswaterheaters.com.